Hello everyone. My name is Ritik, and today is my second day of the Zoom Marathon Challenge. Today's topic is what is data types in JavaScript. Okay, so let me start. Okay, so first I will tell you why we use like uh, what is the use of data types. Okay, the use of data types uh, uh, to uh, to store something in them. Like if I want to store a number, then I can simply write lat const or var is equal to uh, uh, num is equal to 32, like this. So basically, data types used for to store some data in them. And one more thing, and one more thing, uh, da- uh, data types has two types. First one is primitive data types, which also known as single data types, and second one is non-primitive data types, which also known as reference data types. Okay, first I will explain you the types of the primitive data types. There are total six primitive data types in JavaScript. First one is the number, second is string, third one is boolean, fourth one is undefined, uh, then fifth one is null, and last six that is newly added uh, by the ES6, that is symbol. Okay, they all are the primitive data types in the JavaScript. And now let's come to the non-primitive data types. In non-primitive data types, there are object and array. Yeah, they both are non-primitive data types in JavaScript. So now let's come to the why we why we call primitive data types uh, and non-primitive data types. So is there any reason? Yes, there is a reason. Like in uh, in primitive data types, like uh, 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 they are predefined itself. So we don't have to uh, define them. But uh, but coming to the non-primitive data types, uh, uh, they we have to define them. Okay, so this is the difference between non-primitive data types and primitive data types. Okay, and the extra point in it, the non-primitive data types usually always return object. Okay, so that is thank you so much. I hope I explained well. So thank you for listening me.